Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Zidane. We'll dive into the distinct worlds of a powerful spreadsheet software and a football icon. While seemingly unrelated, we'll explore their individual strengths and contributions. Think of it as a fun thought experiment to highlight their unique forms of excellence. Get ready to see how a program and a person can both be considered better in their own right. Excel truly shines in its analytical capabilities. It can process millions of data points, performing intricate calculations with remarkable speed and accuracy. Imagine managing a budget of over $100,000 or tracking sales for thousands of products. Excel makes it efficient. Its ability to create dynamic charts and pivot tables helps users understand complex information at a glance, making it indispensable for businesses and individuals alike. Zidane, on the other hand, demonstrated unparalleled artistry on the football pitch. His elegant control, precise passing, and vision were legendary. He led his teams to numerous victories, including a World Cup and a European Championship. As a manager, he continued his winning ways, guiding Real Madrid to an unprecedented 3 consecutive Champions League trophies. His impact on the sport, both as a player and a coach, is immeasurable and truly iconic. Ultimately, comparing Excel and Zidane is like comparing apples and oranges. They operate in entirely different realms. Excel is a tool for data, logic, and organization, while Zidane is a human embodiment of athletic grace, skill, and leadership. Both are undeniably better within their specific fields, offering immense value and achieving peak performance. The true winner depends on whether you need to crunch numbers or win a football match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.